you think the time is now come when actors and producers cannot remain apolitical? They just can't do that. So you have to have a position when you're an actor.
Again, in my personal capacity, I have always felt that there is nothing like apolitical. I feel that term is a misleading term. I think I come from an understanding where I feel that all art is political. And I think that all of us sometimes unwittingly take political positions. I don't think Bollywood has been apolitical in that sense ever. I mean, I would like to remind everyone that this is one of the industries where your earliest writers and directors and many actors came from the progressive movement, the progressive theatre movement, the progressive writers movement. This is an industry where one of our top lyricists, Majrooh Sultanpuri, spent almost a year and a half in jail for writing a nazm against then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, which he refused to apologize for. And then the then governor of Bombay actually had him jailed. And he spent time in jail and he refused to apologize. That is the political conviction that members of the film industry have shown in the past. And even through the years, there are many examples. I think what's happened in our current time is that what has changed, in my understanding, is that we have become very polarized in our political positions. And I think that the political discourse in general in the country, and the social discourse, the social media discourse in general, has become so toxic, so vicious, so vitriolic, that it just feels like there is a constant battle that is on. And again, I don't speak for anyone. I think that that we must be a society that is able to listen to the views of people and not punish them for it. I think what tends to happen with Bollywood, and we have seen this in the case of Aamir sir, and what happened with his comments on intolerance with Shah Rukh sir, with many other actors. I mean, people like me or Richa Chadha or Shruti Seth, or so many of us. I mean, actually, there's lots of people, Anurag, Anubhav Sinha, so many of us have now begun to experience this very personally, is that when you take a position and you say something politically, immediately you have to face a backlash. And Bollywood is very vulnerable to public opinion. I mean, because we need, it's the public that is going to buy those tickets. And it's a very perception-sensitive industry. So I think that one of the reasons why a lot of people in Bollywood don't want to wade into every debate is because they don't want their work and their films to be affected. I think that if we want more people in Bollywood to speak up, we just have to, as a society, be able to listen better and not punish people for their views, which is something that I don't think we have, which is a place we are nowhere close to. A lot of people, say, oh, Hollywood has Meryl Streep and, we have no Meryl Streep. I'm like, really? Would you allow Meryl Streep to survive here?